Recently, Mailtrap interviewed one of the email security experts to learn more about AI's role in email security. During the interview, we found 6 things you should never do when integrating AI into your email security ecosystem. Continue watching to learn more. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. So the first thing you should never do is rely only on AI for email security. AI can make mistakes, and unfortunately, those are no happy accidents. Even though such occurrences may be rare, you still need to have other tools or sources of information to double check AI's results. Number 2, skip on a unification system, such as scoring, for example. Scoring assigns a specific weight to results based on rule compliance, which is helpful when using multiple tools and layers to prevent spam and phishing. Number 3, implement AI without using an iterative approach. An iterative method means implementing a solution, experimenting with it, checking the results, making changes, and improving. It makes it possible to adapt to new types of spam and phishing attacks, and continuously improve detection accuracy. That's why an iterative approach is essential for achieving good results and building robust email security systems. To learn more about email security, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We have a whole playlist dedicated to email security, so don't miss that one out. Alright, back to the things you should never do when using AI for email security. Number 4, use AI tools without a fallback plan in case they aren't available. And when it comes to email security, even a 2-minute downtime can be detrimental. Number 5, feed AI data that reveals personal information, especially if you're using a SaaS tool. A SaaS AI tool is getting trained on the data you provide, and it doesn't really need personal information to yield good results. So, anonymizing training data is the best approach here. And finally, number 6, train AI yourself. This could be controversial, but training AI requires a lot of resources, which many small or even medium companies can't afford. It's better to spend those efforts creating multiple layers of email security, rather than wasting all of it on training. Reliable AI tools are available, and you really don't need to reinvent the wheel. That's it, now you know how to not use AI for email security. But what role does AI play in email security? What are the things it can be helpful with? Watch our dedicated tutorial to find the answers. See you there.